Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, June 25th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, today we had some good reports come out, a whole bunch of stuff, mostly about housing. It was all positive. And then there's some reports on durable goods that were positive. People got optimistic again today, and of course the market has a pretty good rally. Closes up 101 points. It was up higher earlier on in the day, but 101 points, hey, we'll take that. You know, any bull market is going to have these big pullbacks. It shakes people out, and that's the name of the game. You know, the majority of people who trade stocks, they lose money, and part of the reason they lose money is they get scared when we see the kind of action we have seen the last few days. They just pull out. You know, I sell stuff, and I get people returning their stuff to me for refund when the market gets like this. And this is why people lose. People lose because they don't understand that even a bull market is going to have some very sharp pullbacks, and that's what's happened. Anyway, pretty good day for us. We closed out $213 in closed out trades. You know, that's nothing to celebrate, but we're carrying almost $12,000 in open trade equity. We have this one trade on in Velocity Shares, that's DGAZ, and this thing's just screaming. I think we're going into our fourth day with it. It just took off so hard again today that we keep it in another day. We'll see. We're going into a fifth day with it. But anyway, Velocity Shares is we're holding almost $9,000 in open trade equity with that, and that's where all our profits are coming from rather. You know, I frequently tell traders we get probably 60, even 70% of our profits from only 5% of our trades. We take a lot of trades to get this one big one like we have right now in Velocity Shares. But that one big one makes the day for us. It carries us. And that's the way it goes, you know, and you got to be patient, just like you got to be patient about the big pullbacks in a bull market. Anyway, that's my speech for the day. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Averages, and you know, unfortunately our charts aren't quite as nice as they were before, but we're recovering from some lost data on Friday. So all I have is yesterday and today. But anyway, what was significant about today is this market took off right out of the gate and gained over 100 points in the first 15 minutes. And that basically, first 15 minutes, it established its range for the day. And after that, it's just kind of wiggled around pretty much all day and ended up closing up 100 points, 101 points. So, good day. And I'll show you a couple of our trades. Of course, this one I think I showed you yesterday, but as I say, we're still in Velocity Shares, and this thing we got into it last Thursday. It just keeps going. It had a nice move today. As I say, we're up almost $9,000 on that. We'll hold that, see what happens. We'll probably get out of that tomorrow, however. And then I don't have too much else. You know, Velocity Shares was the big market, but we do have one that I hope will redeem itself a little. This is in Solar City, and if you remember, it wasn't too long ago, a few days ago, we got into Solar City up here, and then we got stopped out down here. That was about a $5,000 loss. Big, nasty trade in Solar City. And today, we jumped into this thing it had a big rally here, but we got in really late on it, so it's kind of scary, but we're holding over $1,000 in Solar City, so I've got to be optimistic about this market. We had a bad trade before, maybe we'll get a good one this time. Anyway, that's the way it goes. This is Trader Bob signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.